I am Rajasekhar. I am Security Operations Lead at QYLIS. So QYLIS, we are having AI services and cyber security services. From cyber security services point of view, we have QYLIS S365. So it will be based on the AI-driven approach, and 24/7 SOC support will be provided. And here we have the end-to-end MDR services will be provided from the QYLIS S365. So here we will not be following the traditional approach of SIMs or what kind of things. So our platform is like more proactive, intelligent, and always on kind of services will be provided from the QYLIS. So here we are not concentrating on only particular signal source. We have multiple signal source approach is there, where we will be covering endpoints, clouds, identity, vulnerability management. So all will be covered, all type of data sources that will be ingested into our. And traditionally we will be having the SOC, having the so many alerts, so alert fatigue will be more from the traditional SOC perspective. But here we are very next generation security services will be providing from our MDR services, where we will be having the no alert fatigue will be there. Here all the tier 1, tier 2 and even tier 3 analyst work will be done by our AI driven approach. So here all the AI driven investigation will also be done, not only from the detection perspective as well, from responding to that particular threat and containing within 15 minutes and all. So our main approach is reducing the noise that analysts were getting. That's our main motive. And apart from that, we have all the XDR capabilities. If any greenfield customer as well, so we will be providing. If any customer is having all the tools integrated, so we will be integrating our own particular tool, and we will be providing the so they can manage our from one console within our tool. And apart from that, we will be having the containment of the host or the threat at the first mission itself. So there will be no lateral movement will not be there, as we are containing the threat at the first place itself. So that's one of the main advantage. Apart from that, we have the human interaction as well, not only the AI-driven approach. Along with AI-driven approach, we have the human interaction, like the threat intelligence and threat hunting capabilities were there, where we have the dedicated threat hunting team, where we will be monitoring the unique IOCs from the threat perspective. So maybe I am a little much going deep into the technical. So these are the main capabilities of our particular MDR services from the QYLIS S365. Yeah, thank you for giving my approach. Thank you.